Okay, by popular request, I'm going to make a quick little video for this assignment. So these are the directions. This is what you're going to be working on. This is kind of an example of what the finished product should look like. So I am actually going to just grab this one here and save a copy of it. And that's the one I'm going to work in because I don't want to mess up the original. I'm going to go Documents. I'm going to go to BTA Practice folder. I'm going to go Excel and Excel 13. Sure, we'll put it right there. Now I think I have this, the instructions in Word as well, which is perfect. So I'm just going to put the words here and put this guy here. So I'm going to go into my start here. Open up Excel. Okay, perfect. Replacing text. So in cell B4, which is here, type company name. In cell C4, type date of establishment. In here, I'm going to go location of head office. In here, I knew I gotta spell that right. Revenue. In this one, number of employees. And in this one, location or international company. Okay. And I did not spell company. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, perfect. Then we want to insert a column. So insert a column directly to the left of the current column D. So I'm in current column D. Place your cursor anywhere inside column home tab. So there's a couple ways to do this. Home tab, cell groups, and insert columns. So we can go open this up, cell groups, insert columns. There we go. You could also have gone here and gone to the insert that way. So there's two ways of doing that, but we'll try to stick to what the directions say. So I now have an extra column in there. Okay, so label this column website address, and then copy and paste their website address. Control key plus C to copy, Control to paste. Do we have their address anywhere? I should change that so it's something more than 8. I will in the future. But okay, we're going to go in here and go, I don't know, Control 8, go back here, Control, I don't care what you put in there though. If you want to put something else, then you can. Okay, so merging cells. Type in cell C2. So I'm going to go to cell C2. Miss Sanders Research. Okay, press enter, and then merge cell C2 to G2. So I'm here, I'm holding down on my left mouse key, and I'm going to go over to G, and then I'm going to go to my home tab, merge and center. So that's that button right there. Okay, and then we're going to apply a font style and cell style. So in cell C2 again, we're back in our home tab. We're going to go to cell styles here. And we want 40 accent 5. Oh, sorry, styles group, cell styles. And we want 40 accent 5. So these are accent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we want a 40%. So that's that guy there. And then we want title. Let's see. Oh, sorry, my video recording tab is sitting over it. And we want title style as well. Okay, so that just changes the way that looks. Okay, modifying numbers. So modify the number format to display 2 digits in decimals in column G. So I'm here and I'm going to go here, and we want to go to the number section, and we can just this is the increased decimal, this is the decreased decimal. We want to increase a decimal by 2 spots right there. Alignment, modify cell F4 so that it has a horizontal indent of 1. So we highlight the cell range, which I'm doing right there. I'm back in my home tab. I'm going to go to my alignment group, and I'm going to open up the dialog box, which is this little bottom corner here, and that'll hopefully work and open up a dialog box. Took a minute. There it is. We want to go to horizontal menu, which is this guy here, and we want to go right indent and indent of 1 and say okay. There we go. And then format dates. So format the date of establishment column. So let me see. Okay. Oh, interesting. I've got this I should have. So it's a short date. So I need to fix this one up. I didn't realize this was a mistake, which I'll do, but this is, it should be a short date column. So we want, I don't know, we're going to say May something. Let me go. We're going to go, so it's a short date. So highlight cell there to there, and we're going to go to the number group. And we want the drop-down menu, and we want a date, and it should offer us, if you how does it do? Drop-down menu, short date. Anyway, we'll see what that looks like, but it's going to have trouble because those aren't actually dates. So we want May 28th, 2023. Okay. And then we're going to go back up here to the number, to the date, and we're going to pick a short date and apply it. No, it's not loving it. Anyway, that is a mistake. Anyway, I'll fix that up. Now quickly resize column F so it auto fits. You just double click on it, that'll bring it back in. And then we want to insert a picture, so search Google for a picture, blah blah blah, and we want it in B13. So I'm going to click in there, I'm going to go to my insert tab, I'm going to go make this bigger, go to my pictures tab, and you can either select on the device or you can look online, whatever you'd like. I'm just going to do a stock picture because trying to make this quick. There we go. And then now that it is in here, go back over. We want to go, oops, put that over there, into our picture format. Select picture, picture tools tab, and then we want to hit the crop button, and we want to crop to shape, and we're going to pick, I think, the snip corner diagonal, single snip corner, diagonal corners snipped. I think that's the one we want. Okay. And then we select the picture tools tab. We're back to picture border. Let me get this a little bit bigger. There we go. So picture border is right there. And we want that. And we want weight, 3-point weight, I think. There we go. Yep, 3 points, purple border. Perfect. And then column, new column in I. So right there, main competition, and we want Y, Y, N, N, Y, N, N, and modify, blah, blah, blah. So they have a horizontal left indent of 2. So highlight it, and we're going to go to our alignment group, and we're going to open that up. And we're going to go horizontal, left indent, and it's going to be 2. Okay. And that is it. So I'm going to get the date one fixed up, but the rest of it, just have a go at it. Not too hard. Hope this helps.